Hi everyone, my name is Sarah from Team Vita Viride. CE and I started out this orbital project with the aim of allowing people with special dietary needs to be able to do grocery shopping with a peace of mind, that they do not have to sift through many products just to find one that suits their dietary needs. Here is what CE and I have done. When we access the website, we come across this page that simply shows two parts in the navigation bar. Let's deal with the buyer side first. When buyers access this page, they will come across the home page that displays all products currently in the marketplace, be it halal, vegan, or vegetarian. We have done up a login button using Facebook as seen here. But we have decided not to be too strict about logging in. We feel that sometimes people may want to browse through the products without having to log in until they're actually ready to buy something. However, they can log in if they want to. Should the buyers choose to go to the halal, vegan, or vegetarian page, they can simply hover their mouse over the respective drop-down links. Once they do so, they will come across a menu containing the various food categories. Currently, we have done up the snack side of all three dietary requirements. We have plans to further expand on this in the future. However, the idea is the same. Let's say I go to the vegetarian snacks page. Here, I'll see the various vegetarian snacks options available. If I see something that I like, I can choose to add to cart. What I will do is take note of the seller's name, who are verified and legitimate food distributors in Singapore, and the name of the product, which are always bolded. Then I'll head over to my Add to Cart page, where I'll input the necessary data. Let's say I'm interested in chocolate flavor organic brown rice rings. I'll take note of the seller name, and I'll just copy over the name of the product. I'll head over to Add to Cart page, and put my username, which is the same as my Facebook name, the seller, the title, and the quantity. So let's say I just want one of this. Then I'll click submit and this will get inserted into the database. So on a side note, as you can see here, the login button has disappeared. In this case, simply refresh the page and the login button will appear again, like this. So if I go to my cart and type in my username, and click search, I will be able to see what I've added to my cart so far and the quantity. The reason why we are so lax about logging in and the username is that we will only ask for the necessary information if one were to check out and pay. However, since we are not doing these two aspects, we decided that we did not have to be too strict about logging in. Then we come to the search page. If there is something I would like to search for example, cholesterol-free products, I will just type it here and click search. After loading, it will give me all products in the marketplace that are declared as cholesterol-free on their packaging. Last but not least, we have the policy page. You can read through this if you want to and have the time to do so, because it's quite lengthy. So this is all for our buyer side. Now let's move on to our seller side. The home, halal, vegan, vegetarian, policy, and search pages are the same as what buyers will see. The difference comes in the add to my products and my products pages. So when sellers come to the add to my products page, they will fill in all the necessary information. To give an example, let me be a food distributor, Kian & Co Limited, which is the official Jack and Jill products distributor in Singapore. Let's say I'm selling Jack and Jill sour cream and onion flavor potato chips. I'll input the details as per the packaging, the price, whether it's halal, vegan, and or vegetarian, as well as the search tags. Now the search tags here allow sellers to choose what they want buyers to associate the products with. For example, in this case, it could be potato chips, the country of origin, the price, and possibly the fact that it is cholesterol free. So once I click submit, this will get inserted into the database. So after doing this, if I were to go to the home page, you will notice that it has been updated to include the latest products. For example, here, the sour cream and onion flavor potato chips that we just added. If the sellers would like to view their products, they can head over to My Products page where they will type in the name of their company and click search. The research results will show them all of their products currently in the marketplace. Some have questioned how do we trust the sellers that they will publish the right information on who can consume their product. In the policy page, we have highlighted that they cannot post anything that is not true. The way this works is, if a buyer theoretically buys a product and notices that it does not have the necessary signs as claimed on the website, they can lodge a report with us by emailing us using this email address, and we will look into that and take further action if necessary. That's it for our web application. The link to our website is provided in the README, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.